Hello and welcome to Reading with Jim Larsen. I am Jim Larsen. This is the only program anywhere where I read something. Right now I'm going to read a blurb from this map from Hawaii Volcanos National Park. This is the map they give you whenever you visit the park. And this park just happens to be my favorite place on the entire planet Earth that I have discovered so far. I'm going to read this blurb. It's called Life Comes to a New Land. Life comes to a new land. A few million years ago, spores released into the wind became a fern in Southeast Asia, were carried by air currents high into the jet stream where they drifted eastward. Eventually, they settled on lava fields in the middle of the Pacific Ocean. This is just one way that life came to the Hawaiian Islands. Insects, seeds, and spiders also rode air currents to the islands. Migrating or storm-driven birds carried seeds in their digestive tracts or in their feathers. Ocean currents carried salt-resistant seeds and insects, plants, and snails on floating debris. Amphibians, reptiles, freshwater fish, and most mammals were unable to cross the ocean expanse. Only the monk seal and hoary bat succeeded. Few of the millions of organisms embarking on this chance voyage made it here. Of those, only a few survived. Over the span of 32 million years, plants and animals colonized the Hawaiian Islands at a rate of one insect every 68,000 years. One plant every 98,000 years. And one bird every 1 million years. The species changed gradually, evolving new forms better adapted to island life. Without the predators and competitors of their former homelands, they didn't need elaborate defense mechanisms to survive. Qualities that once protected them proved unnecessary and were eventually lost. Contradictory terms now describe these new life forms: nettleless nettles, mintless mints, stinkless stinkbugs, and flightless birds. About 90% of Hawaii's native flora is endemic, found nowhere else on Earth. The island's 110 endemic land birds evolved from as few as 30 original ancestors. About 1,100 kinds of flowering plants evolved from 270 to 280 immigrants. Over 1,000 mollusks evolved from at least 22 immigrants. And about 10,000 endemic insects and spiders developed from 350 to 4,000 separate original colonizers. The diversity of life that came to flourish on these isolated, once barren islands bear witness to the force of evolution and the tenacity of life. This has been Reading with Jim Larsen.